How to show a SKU number on your product page in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. Now, obviously, first of all, in order to show your SKU number, you will need to actually have products with SKU. So if you didn't add any, you can just go to any product that you have and go to the inventory section, click on SKU and add it. So for this one, the golden bracelet product, I have test SKU here for it, okay? So next step would be to go to online store, go to themes, and basically just click on edit theme. And simply go to the default product page. So click on the top here, click on products, and click on default product. Now here you are just going to first switch to a product that does actually have a SKU. So in my case, this one. And I'm just going to click on the arrow next to product information. Now, first check within product information itself. So click on it and find if you have an option there to showcase SKU. If that's the case, sure, just toggle it on. But in my case, like in Horizon theme, what I need to do in order to do so is just go beneath details and click on add block. From here, I'm just going to scroll down and we're just going to find a block called SKU, as you can see. So simply just go and click on that and move it to the appropriate place that you will like. I'm just going to move it to right underneath the buy buttons, like so. And as you can see here, we have the test SKU. Now, if you click on it, you also have more options here, like fit, alignment of the text, and if you have different presets like heading and so on, this is also completely up to you. So this is pretty much how to showcase the SKU on your product page in Shopify. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.